system knows you're one of us. Your brain has been designated the 8th quarantine zone of Simurgh. Please be patient. Prepare for the arrival of the medical corps brigade.
Taxes on breath and hunger are the barshchina of metabolism. I pay with electrochemistry to live. The system is an empty heart inside a rusted frame.
When checking the source teaches you something new, the source of the source you should check too. A person is smart. People are dumb, panicky, dangerous animals, and you know it.
There are no cops, no judges here. Only executioners. What is justice without the just? A question turned to dust. It's terrible when your questions are dumber than you leads the trust.
There are no responsible adults here. Only meat shells strung on mimetic demons.
We bite into the world lest it bites into us. Evolution is a blind watchmaker with dementia. The food chain is war. Organisms are barrels of biological waste.
Excrement trails behind. Parasites in blonde we taste.
It is the customary fate of new truths to begin as heresies and to end as superstitions.
You're a hostage of the timeless spiral. The verdict of DNA was sealed at inception. Each time you indulge your desires, you lose your will and become their slave.
The powers that be are like a tree. When cut down, build a fire with its branches. Having lost hope of finding sanity in those around, the system no longer strives to preserve it.
When your advice both ways seems fine, calibrate, then make it rhyme.
Remember when tempted to keep going until it burns. Everything stops when you reach diminishing returns.
Your lips are cracking. Come take my kiss. I'm not your enemy. I love you, don't dismiss. Your lips are cracking. Come take my kiss. I'm not your enemy. I love you, don't dismiss. Keep your mouth closed. I read your mind anyway.
The sleep group has failed its task.
Composure and cold blood.
Lose an hour. A year can't catch up. The bosses lay down harsh conditions and still sleep soundly.
Probability 6 to 1. That's not much. Then we split the upper sector and remove everyone. She has grown. They're tired of you.
Betrayal means death. Next.
True skill lies in its concealment. The system alone is alive here. Can't mend but can rip.
A loser doesn't know what he'll do if he loses, but talks about what he'll do if he wins. And a winner doesn't talk about what he'll do if he wins, but knows what he'll do if he loses.
It is the customary fate of new truths to begin as heresies and to end as superstitions. Each time you indulge your desires, you lose your will and become their slave. When your advice both ways seems fine, calibrate then make it right.
Remember when tempted to keep going and burns. Everything stops when you reach diminishing returns.
stood their ground and faced the darkness when it came. Only some go into darkness and force it to know their name.
This is an unsolvable city. Time's almost gone. If you can't solve this city, it's the ampule. They sent me on purpose. There can be no victory here.
Fiend with the meat shells or cry alone. Some live as if it were an experiment.
In case of fire, just don't burn.
Сводящий с ума первобытный психоз.
An operational definition of a game is that it is a compromise between the advantages of intimacy and the avoidance of the dangers of intimacy.
The fanciest folly often comes from the finest mind.
Continue moving forward, her Barbara's the idol.
There is no fate line, but its formula can be calculated. Sow an act, reap a habit. Sow a habit, reap a character. Sow a character, reap a destiny. The system loses mark place as a trigger for liquidation, and to measure up real plans for they lost. This doesn't affect the debtor's real P&L. Only when the mark price reaches a debtor's liquidation trace